IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit says Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR did not misappropriate funds for journalist pension scheme. Irate students of Oriental College erupt into intense agitation against transfer order of 4 teachers amid lacking teachers in the college. Bamboo Forum of India observes 10th World Bamboo Day. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan encourages to promote bamboo products to boost economy. And NAP Manipur seizes WY tablets worth over 32 crore rupees and heroin number 4 worth around 6 crore rupees smuggled from Myanmar. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thanjam, bringing you the top stories. IPR Minister T.H. Biswajit has asserted that Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR does not engage in fund misappropriation and appealed not to malign the department. He welcomed any investigation by the Vigilance or the CBI to prove that the department is clean. Refuting the controversies about journalist pension scheme under the department, which circulated on media yesterday, Minister Biswajit stated that the department has spent a total fund of 45,33,141 rupees for the pension scheme from 2001 till date, and that there is a leftover balance of 12 lakh rupees at present. Speaking to media at his office in Secretariat today, Minister Biswajit maintained that the opening balance of the pension scheme as of January 1st, 1999 was only 15,386 rupees, stating that 10 lakh rupees was kept as fixed deposit under Kishan Vikas Batra scheme at the post office on October 10, 2001. Minister Biswajit said that it would be wrong to say that it was kept aside as corpus fund for the pension scheme. He expressed disappointment that misleading statements showing the department in a bad light were expressed in a public gathering without knowing the truth from the department first.
We ngasi pulli ba natraga mayam punamaki press bu nuksijaba aduga miyam gi damakta service amada katho ge na changjari bi sini house gi damakta thamam po ne mase kun sokpa ya bana teje ku chap chana khangje mase poche adugi matakta akoina kari hena afaba tawgadra haibu ji wakhanda lakko masak posak amane aduna koi seida aduga koi lairiba balance ga lai haiba paisa duga koi ngasi chatli siga akoi gi lairiba poche adum loina mak teli oigani aduna koi lairiba akoina ai appeal tawjari madudi working journalists union gi koi lairiba amju ge haje Tare masih puna maksingda ekoi madudi karino da ekoi machine lairiba department si pikna phaminare har kanda masih kari lege haibadu khangbire har kanda any kind of the vigilance to bigera any kind of the CBI thajan bigera adu yagani aduna authenticate oidaba ekoi report ki basis da aduna habira kanda ekoi lebak miyam da ekoi lana ekoi department si wanbadi minister in charge mu oina madudi ai tumina lethu OSD ai achengba achetpa wakhom ne mase.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren inspected the ongoing construction of artificial football turf ground under Khelo India with Water Resource Department Quality Control and Monitoring Division as the implementing agency at Langjing, Achokba today. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukib and other eminent persons accompanied the Chief Minister. Speaking on the sidelines, Chief Minister Biren assured to complete the ground by this December. He also stated that other sports ground will be constructed in the hill districts. Biren further assured to complete the construction of artificial football turf ground sponsored by FIFA at Rao Ground, Kumanlam Park at the earliest.
aduga astro truck ki si huji Kumalampa ki mamangi Rao ground ki da lei du ne sine ai khoina ground mari manga ma so kai proposal tori aduga Moirang side nom da su darkar lei aban even chingi area khara da je koi khana ba Rao ground ki si kano ta woni ta seng na har ga de hanagi asisu thema ga ne khoin dawri se hanagi Manipur Development Society na tawram ba si financial flow si main man am taram aduna bu case lokol go hujik leiri ne du lotion da ba yada bina koi remaining part balance part to adu gadi lotion na ba ne koi na hona na sisu yaringe koi yengani khara thunu lotion na ba haidare ne ko.
Responding to media queries about the recent setting ablaze of more than 10 houses at Makan Kuman village under Maumaram subdivision in Senapati district by some miscreants, Chief Minister Biren stated that the government has already started investigation into the case. He assured that massive security forces have been deployed in the area to avoid any further untoward incident. Biren also declared that venue for Imphal evenings held every Saturdays and Sundays will be shifted to Palace compound.
Makhan gida tongnari ba marang gi yum khramai thai kholi ne tongnari jam lai team ne ngarang dagi deputy commissioner kari SP ada loina station to lai moi marang gi rally jakani khokani to ina rally nu chalan ganu aduga kari gino makhan gi kangbu su police station mari leina badu sen ma mising du phana ba tawgudabni phali evening hudok ki bijme am jo hena kame kasunate madai da yamna mi se kanar ne haben da khoi Manipur da night life play da insurgency gi problems na kari na kai na to kan da loina pung manga taruk da gi thong lon na bi ni do madu evening live am khang night live am ko hudok ke na launch to gi ban yamna ma pung bana mai pang na pang thom bani adu hujik se khoi num khali jaga du koi konung mamang ge dom da kitang space free leiba adu gi adai film go hujik Sunday Saturday film su ka pedna adom gi site to da khong tu oga prajana pamba varieties amakak da uksra na khoi kanna di kok thadare.
Chief Minister Nongthom Biren also inspected the ongoing work for installing 35 crore rupees worth floodlights at Kuman Lampak Football Stadium and Hockey Stadium today. He assured that floodlights will be ready at the stadiums by December this year. Responding to media query on measures for the bushy condition of the stadiums, Chief Minister Biren assured that cleaning of the stadium surroundings will be carried out every week starting tomorrow.
Foreign Finance Commission ki tamase floodlight se compulsory to se na nahana tawram madam ne adu live thibadagi Foreign Finance Commission ta hudre an hujik si ekhoi ki target se ekhoi na moi company kainoni si ekhoi ki Philips maram di sigum ba post dai da ekhoi kaino maming leitaba branded to ida to boya da ba ana branded sing tawr kan madu ki tender nung to da matam khur change si mayam na ubire pai le am khut pa loi lore adagi material sing ayam thungare sai hoji ubire khoi ki blab nung kari thongore pol khara lakada bugali adu hoji ki tha hum matam leiri adu moina de khoi da march phang mun gloshin ge hebini taseng na di as per agreement khoi march ni adu boi khoi na December sai da December gi da hariba esro trap langjing gi dune adagi raw ground gi stadium ne cricket ki stadium dune hariba si December bo manung da khoi sangana kan honari.
Irate students of Oriental College blocked Imphal Ziribam Road for over 1 hour today against the recent transfer order of 4 teachers of the college amid pending syllabus for semester examinations. Student protesters blocked the road in front of the college at around 11:30 a.m. They even took out desks and benches of the college and set ablaze on the road. The sudden road blockade caused huge inconveniences to the commuters plying on the road. A police team led by additional SP of Imphal West's Aribam Ghanashyam rushed to the spot to contain the situation. Pacifying the protesters, the team allowed 10 students to meet with the Education Minister. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Oriental College Students Union, Thongam Pahari condemned the government for issuing transfer order for 4 teachers amid their current demand to give adequate teachers for various subjects at Oriental College, which is the lone autonomous college in Manipur. He stated that the protest was carried out against government's silence to their demand for revocation of the transfer order by tomorrow. He warned that the college will be totally shut down from September 20th if the government failed to meet their demands by tomorrow.
Oriental College is the water level of Zachin, Hajan, utilized the Rina, Hajan Tawire, Tarakpazunga Sibawa, Karib to Tarapazulate, Otoma College, as you would take Tavra, Atuki Mataka, who is semester exam Naxalapagi, autonomous college, Samadi, Atopa College, Commander system, Amakale, a quick CIA, Uribani project in the home is right of his home, Akana Matamazda, was a transmata was there, Oriental College in Venezuela, Kariguma, Haying in Misida, Marina, Dipamina, Karima, or Darasika Tragadi, that 20 the gay away. I hear Makon, Madana College, Satan, Matam, College, Satan, Organe, Masida.
Bamboo Forum of India observed 10th World Bamboo Day at Lamyan Bashanglen in Palace Compound today. Speaking at the event, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan appealed to promote bamboo products, seizing opportunity of India's Act as policy to boost the state's economy. He further urged people to work on producing the right items from the bamboo varieties available in the state. Dr. R.K. Ranjan felicitated eminent bamboo craftsmen in the event. 5-day bamboo craft exhibition also kicked off today on the occasion. Painting competition and symposium cum lecture program on bamboo and bamboo products will be held during the 5-day event.
Let us try to popularize the use of our native bamboos. Adu sida nate tonga dong apply gi tholai ba kholai ma yam se ma si torga ngasi gi khoi gi leiri ba khoi gi thabak subham nomham leitaba tolop chaba thabak nataba subham nomham leitaba khoi gi growing youth sing sida bamboo mission gi bamboo technology sida aikoina skill development se masida PB raga aikogi naharol sing se make in Manipur se masi mai pakna ba ai mission gi kambu dai haizeningi act is policy lakus the Southeast Asia da leiriba bamboo the base to wa chinjak mayam se aikoina karmaina participate torka da koina excel to hugada se ngasi gi mission sida gi akoi lomina si
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam led people in planting tree saplings on the banks of historical Chandra Nadi at the foothills of Haibokching today. Naran Kunjin Coordinating Club, a conglomerate of 3 local clubs of Langthabal constituency, organized a tree plantation drive aimed to save the world from the prevailing climate change. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Shyam lamented at the deplorable condition of the historically significant Chandra Nadi, which was a significant water route during the time of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Stated that valley inhabitants have started mass tree plantation drives. He appealed to hilly inhabitants to stop felling of trees. He urged the people to nurture the saplings planted today to maturity and save the environment.
aduna singi praja singda aise minister moina lebang ngak padayawa minister in charge aina appeal amakak tawjani mana akoi singi lamdam da horiba ujau singse masi yaraga di yanthat piganu masina maram ojek haugi bada ising ichau karak thokpa handangna nong suksu su da base masigi maruoiba factor di singi horiba ujau mayam ama yanthallaga adi tongan tongan ba hiram da sin agi basina maram oidana madugi effect na haibase adi miyam puna mangna khangna rabo wafamni aduna tampak ta leiriba sumaina singi praja singnasu Manipur praja pumbagi apunbagi isha yauna khanbiraga ishagi chu khanbiraga akoi uje pak sanna thabagi thabak ama sathamina si haidana the appeal tawjari. Thank you.
Registrar of Cooperative Society, Government of Manipur, Robert Ketrimayum, IAS, stated that the Cooperative Society of Manipur is at least developed state, showing the inefficiency of its major constituents such as PACs and other apex bodies. He was speaking at the 3-day program on developing PACs into multi-purpose societies organized by Institute of Cooperative Management at its conference hall in Lamphilpa today. Robert Ketrimayum stressed the need to identify the weakness leading to such predicament and to work on them to fully develop cooperative society of the state.
Program sige ya mari leina ta ibasing koina chidagi phanggadruba knowledge singse kraibo yongna koina practical oina pangtok pagami maipa ngamani asoiba natraga asonba leiragana kraidagi koi masi makeup pe yai se proper work plan ama business plan ama leiba thoi packs khudima masigi proper planning masigi system manaina sema ngamdaba chatpa ngamdragadi pex adu mapangan kaloi matam amada mut kiusi malan bai tawksi to se taseng na koina ngamgadawu du honaje
24 total shutdowns since 4 a.m. today called by Moirang BJP Mandal in demand for an unconditional release of the personal secretary of Moirang MLA Hemam Boyai, who was arrested on charges of corruption by the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police affected normal life in Moirang constituency. Vehicles remained off the roads and business transaction came to standstill. Students did not attend classes even though schools under Moirang municipality were opened. But supporters came out on the streets and blocked roads, preventing commuters from plying. A police team led by SP Bishnupur Priyadarshini took swift actions and dispersed agitators. Police is maintaining a strict vigil to prevent any unwanted incident. Ten members delegations of Zeliarong Civil Society Organization met with Governor Najma Heptullah at Raj Bhavan today and urged her to intervene in the matter for relocation of the proposed site for Tribal Freedom Fighters Museum from Makhil village. Tribal Affairs and Health Minister Nkaishi laid the foundation stone for the proposed museum recently. The team apprised the governor that the proposed site is not feasible from transport and communication point of view since the location is situated more than 8 kilometers away from the national highway. After listening to the appeal, Governor Najma assured to raise the issue with the state government. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a huge drug haul by NAP Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAP Manipur have confiscated contraband wireless Yos WY tablets smuggled from Myanmar worth around 32 crore, 8 lakh rupees and 3 kilograms of heroin number 4 worth around 6 crore rupees. Police have arrested the drug smuggler and booked him under Section 21C, 22C, 63 of the NDNPS Act. The arrested drug peddler is 34-year-old Kaikholum Mate, son of Zamkozang from Tengnopal village. Police have also seized a bolero bearing registration number MN03P1511 used in transporting the drugs. NAB Additional SP Tej Brinda and OC S.A. Chandra Kumar arrested the miscreants during a drive carried out at Kakching Lamkai under the supervision of NAB SP W. Basu, NAB yesterday afternoon at 2:40 p.m. 18 Assam Rifles personnel led by Major Chandrasekhar joined the operation and they recovered the contraband drugs hidden in 9 sacks. NAB team also arrested 129-year-old D. Teresa Lamkang, wife of late K. George from Sekai Sarong village under Chandal District Police Station with 3 kg and 500 grams of opium near Palel Bridge on September 15th.
Bongyang village Tenopal district tagi apoy na ngarang miyama phai pariba mingsina kai khulun mati son of Zamkozang mati of Tenopal village mangun dagi ngara apoy na recover toiji 8 lakhs WY tablets recover towi amasung heroin 3 kg mana tongpa bolero amsung de recover tore sigi matang da apoy na case ama register ene bide tore tarik 35 da apoy NAB gi team amana nupi ama Teresa Lamkang hena Chandel district tagi ni mangun dagi kilo ohum makai kani fai mara phabam mafam jina Palel bridge tagi sigi matang na jo khoina case ama ene bida register tawre drug disposal gi matang je khoina pre trial disposal na haira khangnei aduga sigi matang je am lengthy we process oiba court gi permission logba khoi sampling na chingba inventory semna chingba tawgada aduna khoina athu matamda numit matam khari changhini matam khara pibiu mayamna athu matamda khoina public ta amasung press mayam koraga sigumba chauba thorama pangtho khoin drug mayam phari je loina khoina dispose tawjagani mai thadok jagani.
Speaking to media, NAB Additional SP Tej Brinda disclosed that police have received tip-off regarding mass illegal cultivation of poppy plants in some interior hilly regions of the state and at Nambol in Bishenpur district. Expressing apprehension over the situation, Tej Brinda urged people to cooperate in uprooting drugs menace from the state.
Hena dangerous already. Akoi de huzik thariba level of poppy cultivation se am sathine alarming oireba. In all the major 8 hill districts se poppy loi thada bam pham bu leitreba. Thari sisu apik pa area na te meet na ubagi wang ma da chingmai si paktak na thagrabne ba. Phaidik latest we ba paw da lai si. Nambol si da poppy se paktak na huzik si chingmai thabagi kano se leireba. Drug si makhalani ni mapane pusalakpa ama adugo homegrown ama. Homegrown si da khoina number 4 pambi thaba hairagadi number 4 pambi thara abane ba. Chinjak thagada mafam si da adu itaragadi akhoi gi youth mayam si drug sing sigi victim si di largely chahi yang khai subam da WI sing de youth ngak tane ba aduna in one go da put up akoi si incapacity torpagi possibility se yam alarming oi chale iye ba government of India as well as the government of Manipur hujik si drug policy mayam chauna formulate tong na honari.
A combined police team evicted illegal shops from Kasturi Bridge till Nagamapal entry point today. The combined led by Imphal West Traffic Police Additional SP Yumnam Joyraj, including City Police personnel, destroyed many illegal makeshifts and extended shops in the area and seized their properties. Court cases will be registered against the illegal shopkeepers.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯔꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯟꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯀꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯐꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯟꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯀꯤꯡ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯊꯅꯥꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯟꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯐꯝꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯠ ꯗ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯄꯅꯤꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯇꯣꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Traffic police have intensified road safety drive to fully implement Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019. They checked for relevant documents from vehicle owners and check whether riders are wearing helmets or not. Police even used breath analyzer to check consumption of alcohol by drivers. Speaking to media, additional SP of Traffic Police Manipur, Yumnam Joyraj, said that the drive was necessitated in the wake of rising road mishaps. BJP Saitu Mandal organized an awareness program on welfare undertakings by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Jaharaje Community Hall in Kangpokpi district today. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Nimbus highlighted the objectives of the nationwide Seva Saptaha marking Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 69th birthday. He said the Social Service Week aims to keep the environment neat and clean, to conserve water and to stop single-use plastic. Saitu MLA Ngamthang Haukip, district council members and members of the Mandal attended the event. Party also distributed sweets and snacks to the inmates of Kanglatombi Children Home on the occasion.
Jati si khatana tana Prithivida akoida yamna akanba seitheng ama piba hauriba adumba plastic single use plastic ase masi thingnanaba honaba amasung miyoibagi punsida akoigi yamna maruoiba khwaidagi henna maruoiba singi manungda ama oiriba akoigi water conservation ni matangda masi miyam punna khangminanabagi program singasi adumba hafta amagi manungsida pangthokadabe program singasi Bharatiya Janata Party na semaga masi nahan tarik 13 dagi akoi pangthoktana lai.
BJP Hairok Mandal, led by Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam, who is also the MLA of Hairok constituency, organized a blood donation free health camp at Salungpam Ching Tam High School today as a part of the nationwide Seva Saptaha. More than 25 people, including Minister T.S. Radheshyam, donated blood and doctors check up more than 155 individuals and provided them free medicines at the camp. District Administration Thoubal along with District Health Society Thoubal and District Program Officer of ICDSL organized an awareness program as a part of month-long Rashtriya Poshan Mah National Nutritional Month at its community hall of Sangayumpham today. Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District Nomaithem Vandana, IS DPO of ICDSL Thoubal T. Anita, CMO Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayanta and District Social Welfare Officer Thoubal, Dr. KSH Memcha attended the program. The 14th death anniversary observance and 13th Professor C.H. Dhanachand Memorial Lecture was held at the Seminar Hall of Advanced Life Sciences Department, Manipur University yesterday. Deputy Director, Manipur Health Services and Diabetologist District Hospital, Churachandpur, Dr. Y. Prem Chandra Singh delivered the 13th Professor C.H. Dhanachand Memorial Lecture on the topic Diabetes and its Relevance and Lifestyle Changes of Manipur at the event. Founder of Kamash, Dr. Ashok Thapa, gave resourceful insights to the public on the topic Vibrance and Health at the Imperial Hall of Classic Grand last night. The event was held as a part of Kamash Dynamic Fitness Program. Practical demo and exercise on vibrance and health was shown at the event. Convener of Coordinating Committee, All Manipur Youth and Student Welfare Association, AMYSWA, KH Rameshwar has asserted that the association will start checking whether private schools conduct medical camps for its students or not starting next month onwards. The association condemned those schools which failed to conduct medical camps after charging medical fees from the students. Rameshwar was speaking on the sidelines of a free medical camp held at P. Namjok Lung High School in Sawombong, Sairem Kavui Kunau today, organized by the association as a part of its health campaign to be carried out 30 selected schools for the first phase. He condemned that some schools failed to abide by the rules to provide medical check-up facility for hostelers even every month and every 2 to 3 months for day scholars. He urged the concerned stakeholders to look into the matter.
Health checkup se tawbidaba yawa ana haiba sing se akhoi coordinating committee gi mai kaidagi sungya yaroi loina na ngasai gi mairoi singda akhoi gi education haiba post se ngasai gi health si am maru ibana maram orakanda school authority khuding mak na su ngasai gi health checkup se akhoi gi boarding school sing na akhoi gi tha khuding gi tawgadabani aduga day scholar akhoi gi samnai kan boarding school leitaba singdana akhoi gi tha ani natrangana ahung gi manung da akhoi amumukti tawbi ba haitare soina tawbigadabani loina na
MLA of Yaiswal Assembly Constituency, D.H. Satyabartha commenced the 18th Youth Leadership Training cum Social Service Camp organized by League of Kalau Patriot Wang Kaining Thempukri Mapal today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA D.H. Satyabartha stressed the need to aware youths on the history of the state and instill altruistic qualities in them for a welfare society. Taking part in the event, LCP President A. Ranabir stated that the event aimed to save youths from drug abuse. Proprietor of Arun Enterprises, Thangzam Arun, also attended the event.
Lekai Malayba, Lekai to the club on labor, club to the Lekai to keep another according to another environment, another among the Kaisha, Uza, Tana, Lekai to so part of the Lekai to that behind the sea, Lekai, the Lekai, the Messi, Dr. Yado, Tanai, what I
Students' Union of Kanglei Park Sug held its 8th Foundation Day celebrations at the conference hall of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, in Manipur University campus today. Speaking on the sidelines, Sug President Dhanakumar Ningthaucha asserted that Students' Union of Kanglei Park was formed solely for the betterment of the students, society and people of the state. Asserting that Suk has taken countless initiatives in solving various issues of the state, he maintained that Suk will stand firm against any threats to territorial integrity of the state. Dean of Students' Welfare, Manipur University, Professor Ratan Kumar, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba and Reader of Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Manipur University, Dr. T.H. Bharat, attended the event.
lamdam masigidamak lebak miyamgidamak kanglipakgidamak khongkhom chetna lepaga loinana thogdang kaya loduna mangjin thaduna lagli matung tarakpadasu kanglaipaksida singnarakpa kanglaipakidamakta kanglaipak bu manghanaba mulanaba honarpa singnarakpa khudimak sukna khongkhom chetna lepaga loinana adungai ipa ipu singi aikoida cheliba I maramaduna akhoi ipa ipu singna adungai lamdam masibu ngakpi senbiramba adugumna sukna achauba suki mairoi singna amadi sukna chau thodang kaya lobu loinana ngasigi lamdam masida kanglipak asida singnarakpa khudimak khongphom chetna lepaga loina thengnagane habo phamasi media thongdo thamjari.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit says Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) did not misappropriate funds for journalists' pension scheme. Irate students of Oriental College erupt into intense agitation against transfer order of 4 teachers amid lacking teachers in the college. Bamboo Forum of India observes 10th World MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan encourages to promote bamboo products to boost economy. And NAB Manipur seizes WY tablets worth over 32 crore rupees and heroin number 4 worth around 6 crore rupees smuggled from Myanmar.